So this is Dan of Vagabond Awake.
𝗕𝗕𗢢𝗡 from 𝗕𝗵𝗲𝗄.
Hello, and this is Rachel 𝐂𝐒𝐓.
This is Raj Farahman. We also have a channel called Phil and Persian blog.
Yeah, and we'll put a link to their channel below. Welcome to the channel.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
How did you two meet?
Through online.
Right.
Yes, and after a days, he came to Manila, and we met each other. Then after 1 week stay in Manila, we went to Davao to meet my family.
Right.
And after that, my parents.
And siblings and cousins, and a huge family.
Yeah. And we just met them in person at the get-together here in Cebu. We're in Cebu now.
Dan looks exactly the same on the video than in person.
One of the things that surprised us about these two is they look so much younger than their age. What are your ages?
I'm 75 and she's 20.
I'm turning 28 this August.
She's 27 now.
Yes.
27.
Yeah.
So as I said, we have something in common. Combine our age is 100, you combine your age is 100 too.
Okay.
So this is Rachel, and we have a common thing together because we both met our partner in the online apps.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, I met them in the Kuala Lumpur in 2016 in the Tinder online apps.
I met him through online. I don't remember also. It's common for me, the Batu app. Maybe we met something somewhere there.
I heard about that also.
Yes.
Where are you from and how are you?
Hello everyone, this is Rachel 𝐂𝐒𝐓, and I live from province of Agusan del Sur. I speak Bisaya, you know that. Maing buntag. Yes. Yeah.
How are you?
And I'm 27.
You met Iradj in the apps.
Yes.
So, what type of man were you looking for when you put your profile in the apps, in the online apps?
In my profile, I just put in my bio. I said I want someone who is serious in relationship.
Oh.
I don't want fun or anything fucking. Yeah, that's it.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
How long did you chat with Iradj before you met him in person?
I think we chatted 3 days. After 3 days, we decided to. He said, "I'm in Vietnam. Maybe you can come here and we just tour, and if you want." So I said, "Okay." And then we started to work the visa and
3
everything.
days.
Yeah, for 3 days.
You want to meet him
Yes.
in Vietnam, flying
Yes.
over the country to Vietnam. Wow.
I'm very happy to chat him at that time. So
that's
it's
good to
like
hear.
he's very serious also because
Yes. I can see that.
he sent me a lot of message which has a sense. So it's like I like this guy. Even he has a age for my age, so I don't think.
I can see he's very
Yes,
nice
yes,
person,
yes.
like him as well.
Yeah, at first it's like he's educated person.
Yes.
Yeah, because I didn't ask first what is his background or any. What is your? Are you studying or what like that? What is your?
So Iradj is from America.
Yes, I'm
practically
a citizen.
forever. I
Yes.
mean, 50 years or something, right?
Yeah, well, I was actually came from Iran. I was born in Iran.
Right.
I educated until high school. So I had a friend in Colorado. So I got that acceptance from the University in Colorado.
And so you studied in college and you went on to get your PhD, is that right?
Yes. I'll be allowing the bachelor degree if they can pass the exam. You can directly go to the PhD program. Take an exam and I passed. Yeah, congratulations, you're in. My thesis was actually on circumference compilation.
And then during your PhD, was it that you were able to get a job at NASA in the summer?
One summer, and then they liked my work. But by the way, when I was there, I'll be honest with you, I was the lowest intelligence level compared to all the scientists.
Yeah, we take the best of the best from all over the world.
Yeah, exactly. I was really surprised. On my resume, when people see NASA, they got really excited.
Yeah, when they see NASA on your resume, it's a red carpet after that.
Yeah, sure.
I mean, so So I said, I said, okay, I will meet you. And then we started to work the visa and everything for me to go in.
Very good.
But first, I don't have any idea for requirements, any requirements to
go out from the country. I
in
understand
Vietnam.
that.
So in immigration, I was offloaded because
That's so sad.
the immigration officer, she saw my record. She said, you went to Lebanon with illegal process.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think it's mistake of
Yeah,
the missing
so
document. That's all.
I went to Hong Kong and then I didn't come back.
Oh.
So that's the red flag for them.
Oh, okay.
And I don't have a complete documents to comply to them. So as he said, just wait for him and then you will meet him here.
Okay, what was your first impression when you meet Iradj in a person versus right now? Example, like the first time I met Dan, he's just like a regular guy, a mature guy, because he loved traveling, and I love traveling, so we chat for 3 hours, and we have 3 bottles of wine in 3 hours.
Yes.
And now I see him, he's not like he's like a big boy to me.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's different feeling now. So what was your first impression when you met Iradj in person versus now?
Well, at first time, it's very awkward because you know I always think that if we expose in public, even we walk around in the street, there are toxic, you know, people saying that we had this age. Yeah, I am dating with this guy. So I said I don't care, and but you know when our first day, yes, he is doing morning. He's doing his yoga, meditation, like that, and exercise, and I just sleep. I just do my own business, and then I was admired to him because he is very good guy.
Yes.
Yes.
So then AT&T Laboratory interviewed me, fly me the next day. Started working there. GT Lab called me one day. So they had a fiber optic division. So I went there in about 6 months. Said, well, you have such a people skill. We want to put you in the management. That was in 1992 or 3, something like that. Yeah. Call from Motorola a few years later. We need somebody to run our design automation. Base salary has to be about 20% more than what I'm making. And then I have to have a stock option and profit sharing and all that. I said, yeah, no problem. Give me the whole package.
They called you.
Yes, yeah, exactly.
You've had a stellar career, let's face it.
I love
the best of the best.
Yeah.
So what age, you're 75 now.
Yes.
What age did you retire?
62.
Okay. So we hear about the story about the dumb thing, the stupid thing that some men will say online that made the Filipino women stop talking to them. So can you give a couple examples of the dumb thing that foreigners should not say online when they're talking to the Philippine, like
Say, why are you dating this old guy or something like that? So I don't. She said just ignore them.
Yes.
Since we're happy together with each other.
Yes.
So yeah,
It's common.
just ignore them.
the first time when I read them, the first few years, they call me a lot of things. Dick Golder, they call me lady boy, call me a man, call me a... Yeah. Yeah, so I was like, whatsoever, I don't know them. I got angry for the first few months, you know, but the anger is just go on myself. It made my body toxic. So why I want to carry that? I don't know them, they don't know me. I just remove them. The end of story, right?
Yeah, even in my part, they say, you're still young. You can find someone who has like 30 plus age. And
What are some of the nice things that Iradj say to you online make you want to meet him in person?
well, he has he has planned for us in the future,
wow.
and I really appreciate because his messages is has a sense to I appreciate first. So I think this is my true love, right?
Wow.
This is my, what do you call this?
Yeah, true love.
Yeah, maybe I think
It's great. She
Yeah.
loves you a lot.
true. Yeah, I said because I never had a serious guy before.
Yeah.
I had only months relationship. Let's say 2 months.
Oh.
Yeah, 1 month.
So
like
how
that.
long you with Rush until now?
Sorry.
How many months already until now?
Now
Yeah.
we're going 8 months.
8 months.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's very good. So where have you been? Where have you two traveling since you meet in person? So after that you met. You been to traveling to any place?
Well, from 2019 to 2022, I'm working as domestic helper in Lebanon. I was 3 years working there.
Okay.
And then I went home and then I stay to our province
Yes.
in a week, and then I went to Manila and I tried to chat someone through online because it's like maybe I don't need to go back in abroad.
Yeah.
Maybe I can find someone who willing to, in the future to build a
Yes.
relationship in the future. So I was lucky I found him.
You both are a good couple, great couple. But after you met him so you didn't able to go to Vietnam. Then Iradj come to Manila.
Yes.
So how long you guys in Manila and where you go after Manila?
We stayed 2 weeks there in Makati.
Makati.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then after 2 weeks, we decided to go to Davao City to meet my family, and of course, he took care of my mother also for check-up in the hospital because she has something on her liver problem. So I'm very thankful that he's helping.
When he coming to Davao with you, do you feel nervous that you want to bring a boyfriend back home to see your family? You're like, I don't know how to arrange that kind of feeling.
Yeah, because I was nervous and I don't know what to do first because I was thinking that what if my relatives talking about him, I am dating with the old guy, and like that. So
I understand about the Asian culture.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's like special to my parents.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I said, I don't care. Okay.
Yes.
I said, mother, come here to Davao and then we will take care of you. We will take you to the hospital
okay.
for check-up, and then they stay in condo also.
So your mom
So
come
for
and
days.
your father also come? Both
Yes.
together? Oh, perfect.
My sisters.
Oh, and your sister. Okay.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Yeah, thank
So
you.
they are happy to see?
Yeah, they're happy and he's happy also.
Perfect. Good.
Yeah.
That's great. I mean, that's you both are happy together. So
Yeah.
for me, is do not care about what your relative or friend or people on Facebook really do not care about them.
Yeah, but it's very awkward first because my parents don't usually speak English.
Because when Dan came to my house, and my parents they don't speak English, but they can understand. And then they like to talk to him a lot. I being a translator for a couple days, and I give her, I say, you guys want to talk? There is a phone, you have an app, you guys talking. I say, I
Yeah.
cannot. I'm very busy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, he is my everything, my mentor to teach everything for me.
Well,
Yeah.
that's great to sharing
Yeah.
your story.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very nice. I mean that I can see you both are very happy together,
Yes.
and loving each other,
Yeah.
and very sweet. You go walking by whole hand, and it's just very nice. I can see how he taking care of you, and how you taking care of her. Just a small detail. I can
Yeah.
feel it's very sweet.
In fact, I met Steve Jobs in person. When I was in GTE, we were deciding to take a Mac or PC. He was such a tough negotiator. He would not budge. I said, okay. I called him the PC guy that was Hewlett Packard. And I called them right in front of him. And he said, why are you doing this? I said, well, you don't want to deal with me. He said, okay. He came back, he said, for the first time, I want to give you 20% discount. Never ever done that. So we had our first Mac from that Steve Jobs. Silicon Valley has a lot of geniuses. He definitely was a genius and a special person.
So at 62 you retired. So
Yes,
how long have you been in the Philippines?
Well, for the things I've been actually, my last 10 years of job, I was in charge of Asia region. Among the region, I think the Filipino are really very nice people, very kind people. Also the beauty of Philippines itself, and it's just so much to do, so much to see.
Yeah.
On top of that, the people speak English. I was really finding out the US is not, I don't want to be talk politics, but it wasn't for me anymore.
Yeah.
Because of the politics, the also discrimination, the discriminations everywhere, and the cost of living also just shooting to it. It's still going up every day.
Yeah.
Put everything in one suitcase and one backpack. That was it. So I'm not going to do any more than that. I told my son I'm going to leave the United States. Yes, I'm ready. He said, are you sure that at your age you're going to do this? I said, what do you mean your age? I'm not a dinosaur. She called me dinosaur because I told her I'm dinosaur. So,
well, it's been fun chatting with you too.
same here.
Thank
Really
you for inviting us, and me and Iradj was very happy to meet this very nice couple, guys. So thank you so much. It's a big opportunity to meet you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hopefully we'll get to see you guys somewhere else in the Philippines.
Yes, thank you so much for
Thanks so
coming.
much for coming on the channel. We'll put a link to their channel below so you can go over and check it out. Watch what those two are up to.
And guys, subscribe, comment, and share.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.